One microscope per student? Rarely possible. Limited microscopes often mean students must share, reducing clarity and engagement. Lanoptik's Wi-Fi multi-viewing system solves this problem by streaming live microscope images to over 60 student devices via 5G Wi-Fi. MV60 combines a high-performance microscope camera and a robust 5G Wi-Fi module in one compact unit. Teachers use Pixit Hub to control the system and share live microscope views or teaching content. Students simply scan a QR code or connect to the Wi-Fi to view on their own tablets, making every seat a front-row experience. Display mode: share the teacher's screen on big displays using HDMI. Wi-Fi mode: stream directly to 60+ mobile devices. LAN mode: ideal for multi-room or multi-floor environments. Real-time sharing made easy in classes, labs, seminars, workshops, and more. Join leading institutions upgrading their digital teaching with Lanoptik MV60. Learn more at lanoptik.com.